Hello everyone, it's 2nd April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have commercial LPG jet fuel rates up amid Iran crisis. Then we have exclusion from electoral rolls doesn't repeal voting rights forever, says Supreme Court. Moving forward, we have entry tax hike, protests erupt in Himachal borders with Punjab and Haryana. Then we have rabies confirmed in central Assam town after 40 people suffered dog bite in one day. Moving forward, we have FRCA bill triggers storm in elections bound Kerala. Then we have Rajasthan OBC Commission gets extension polls to Panchayati Raj, urban local bodies to be delayed. Moving forward, we have why is India pushing piped gas now? Again, very important for economic perspective. Then moving forward, we have center puts off FCRA bill as protest erupts in Lok Sabha. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have CAPF bill passed by Rajya Sabha after opposition walkout. Then we have India to renew push for faster FTA implementation during PM's EU visit. Then we have 55,000 households utilize census self-enumeration portal on day one. Then we have in Bodoland fight for peace identity unites political rivals BPF and UPPL. Moving forward, we have Congress planning law to appease religious minorities in Assam, says Prime Minister. Prime Minister's policies pushing countries deeper into crisis, says Priyanka. Moving forward, we have terrorists killed in operation in central Kashmir, says army. Then we have NSCNK seeks religious conversion. Arunachal government tells UAPA tribunal. Moving forward, we have despite ATF cap for local flights, fares rise as Indigo raises Levi. Then we have Oracle sacking 30,000, not a good sign for global tech. Lastly, we have the world page where we have you can lead Hormuz opening, says Starmer. As Transatlantic tries fray. Then we have Trump says Iran sought ceasefire, Tehran denies. Then we have NASA begins fueling rocket for first lunar trip in 50 years. Then we have Putin likely to participate in BRICS summit in Delhi, says Russian Deputy Foreign Minister. Lastly, we have an American bombs fall on Iran, South America nations brace for impact. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.